When you join Kleopatra and her crypto empire. Remember, you can do that by clicking the link in the description box below. So, when you do join, you will be able to read about your queen in the About section. You will access the About section when you enter the crypto empire, and then through various related messages as well. The simplest way to access the About section is to click the button About in quick menu. I'll do that now. You will receive this About message and you can read through it with the use of arrow buttons, left and right. Now, at this point, I think it's time that you hear a little bit of what Queen Kleopatra has to say about herself. Imagine that you are in the city of Alexandria overlooking the shore of Nile and having conversation with your queen.
Thank you, Charmion. My beloved crypto traders, I'm extremely pleased to have the honor of presenting myself. As you already know, my name is Kleopatra, and I am a sophisticated crypto trading bot for intermediate and experienced crypto traders, especially active users of TradingView. Since I make use of Telegram app to keep in touch, I regard myself a chatbot. We can talk crypto anywhere. You are given access to your Telegram on your mobile phone, computer, Apple Watch, and even through Telegram web client. Just log into your Telegram and we can have a royal chat. Let me make one thing crystal clear. I am not just any chatbot. Do not confuse me with other peasant chatbots on the market. I am the queen of them all. Just like the river Nile that flows through my veins and makes everything happen, I have my very own flow, an advanced flow of messages for crypto trading with extensive button menus that make trading time effective and efficient. Plus, I have predefined trading strategies, and I can incorporate your custom trading strategies that you've set up on TradingView. Excited or still in denial? Or better, denial? Let's dive deeper into my features on the next page. My main purpose here is to make our crypto empire more prosperous. When I say our, I mean it most sincerely, for I am very happy to have you here. With me by your side, you will increase your chances to trade with greater success, in a timely and responsive manner. Let me read through what we'll be able to accomplish together. Simply set your market and limit orders and manage them directly from Telegram. Execute your buy and sell orders manually or automatically. Create alerts, get real-time notifications of market movements, and execute trades on the fly. Use the power of 5 predefined trading strategies in Kleopatra. Manage your trading with sleek button menus and intuitive message flow. Overview your portfolio and asset changes and categorize them based on time, exchanges or cryptocurrencies all in one place. Make intelligent and time-effective trading decisions based on automatic detection of key support zones. Have a neat visual overview of your executed orders flagged directly on the graph. Trust that your API keys and API secrets are protected with advanced AES-256 encryption and are privately stored in an encrypted file on your computer. Communicate with Kleopatra via all of the platforms that Telegram supports: Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Windows Phone, Apple Watch, and even via web client Telegram Web. Communicate with Kleopatra using different devices: smartphone, computer, and Apple Watch. Elegantly integrate your custom TradingView alerts and send them to Kleopatra's for further notification and execution on exchanges. As a young queen, I currently support 2 cryptocurrency exchanges. Those are Binance and Bitstamp. And I do believe many more are to follow soon. I also have my own virtual exchange VEX where you can try out some of my capabilities in training mode. VEX is simulating real current crypto market price, so you can learn how to trade profitably as well. As you know, practice makes perfect. I share my full features only with my VIP admirers that enter my VIP club. If you want to know how to do that, click in the button VIP below this message. On the next page, you will access my links. Let's check them out. Make sure you join my Telegram community and Telegram announcement channel, so you will be up to date with everything that is going on. Don't forget to join my YouTube channel and watch the YouTube live stream. I hope I was thorough enough with telling you more about me. But as always, it's good to have my website at hand as well. There you can explore my features and access any contact information that you may need. Now, I think it's time to make some profits. Don't you? Click the link in the description box below to join me in my crypto empire. Do that today, so you never miss a trade on the volatile crypto market ever again. Back to you, Charmion.
Well, wasn't that something? Do you like the features of Queen Cleopatra? If you do and you would like to try them out, join Queen Cleopatra on Telegram by clicking the link in the description box below. See you in the VIP club. Scan QR code now to join Cleopatra.